Welcome to Zoomers RV. We have a new line of Gulfstream Ameri-Lite super light trailers that have just came in. They are 2014 models. This particular unit is a 19 BHC. It is a super light trailer. It weighs just over 2,700 pounds. You can pull it with virtually anything: minivan, small SUV, half-ton pickup truck, compact pickup truck. It has a nice awning, privacy glass, frosted privacy glass on the door. Has a round top door so it won't tear the awning. Has a nice step. They come with one 20-pound propane bottle and a new battery. These units have a bumper-to-bumper 2-year warranty with a 12-year warranty on the roof. On this side, you'll see it has a storage compartment in the front. The air conditioner is above the window. Tinted windows. Has a fresh water fill here. City water connection here. 30 amp cord is there. Sewer drop is in the back with a hot water heater. Has a spare tire. Rear leveling jacks on the back. These units are priced to where everyone can afford one. With 10% down, the payments are extremely low. It has eaves troughs with these little spouts that shoot the water away from your camper so there's no black streaks. It sits on a single axle with a size 14 tire and wheel. It has an outside receptacle here. Your furnace vent there and your refrigerator vents here. We'll walk inside. Just inside the door on the right is a full-size bed, overhead cabinets. The air conditioner's over here in the corner. It has lots of windows, so it's nice and bright. Has a dinette booth here that also drops down and makes into a bed to sleep another person. On the left side, a big cabinet for storage, your furnace, 2-burner stove, nice sink, more cabinets, and a refrigerator. Up top you got a microwave and another nice cabinet. On the right side, 2 bunk beds. Furnace controls here. And again, the air conditioner is in the front. In the very back of the camper is the restroom with a nice porcelain stand-up foot pedal flushed stool and a nice tub shower. Has a nice skylight, gives you a little more headroom, and a vent. This unit has nice hardwood looking laminate flooring from front, or vinyl flooring from front to back. All the cabinet doors are hardwood. Has lots of storage space. Again, small, lightweight. You can use the vehicle you currently own to pull it. Don't need anything special. It is 21 feet long. Comes with a 2-year factory warranty, 12-year warranty on the roof, 84 inches wide, exterior height 8 foot 11 inches, interior height 6'4", dry weight's 2,740 pounds, hitch weight's 310, 37-gallon black water tank, 37-gallon gray water tank, 30-gallon fresh water tank, and one 20-pound LP tank. It has a 16,000 BTU furnace and an 8,000 BTU air conditioner. This unit MSRP is $16,851. We have a super low price of $10,695. With 10% down, the payments are right at $104 a month. So again, anyone could probably afford one. They're nice, sleek, good looking, and lightweight.